The very first thing you need is your pair of lashes, and I'll be using this a pair of mink lashes. I think I got this one from a beauty supply store, but it doesn't matter, just what you like and you're good to go. The next thing you need is an eyelash glue. You cannot put on your lashes without a glue, and I'll be using this dual eyelash glue. You can actually use any glue of your choice. I just love this one because it really holds the lashes for a longer period of time, and it's easier for me to take off. I just have to put water on the lashes, and when I pull it, it gets off those natural lashes. So you need a scissors. I'll be using these scissors. You actually need a scissors, and if you don't have scissors, it doesn't mean you cannot put on your lashes. You can actually substitute these scissors with a blade. So I'll be using this as well. And last but not the least, I'll be using this tweezer. This is actually optional. If you don't have a tweezer, you can just substitute it with your finger. So I think I'm gonna do one side using a tweezer and the other side without a tweezer, so you can just choose which best works for you. You just want to make sure you pin it like so, then you pull it out. As easy as that. Like you can see, it has these sharp edges right here and here. You don't want it. But before I do that, I always like to place the lash on my natural lash band just to measure the length to see if it matches with the length of my eye, because sometimes some lashes are way too long and some people really have smaller eyes. So you want to make sure you measure it to see if it best suits the length of your eye or the size of your eye before you go ahead to put on the lashes. So that's what I will be doing. You don't want to take the lash right close to your inner corner because it's going to make you feel uncomfortable. So you want to make sure you give a step out or where your natural lashes start. So if I just cut the sharp edges, this lash is gonna be way too long for my eyes. So I'm gonna cut like 2 steps away just to make sure it fits on my eye very well, and I'm gonna cut it around this place like 2 steps. I'm gonna take off 2 steps from this lash. First, you take out the sharp edges. I'll just take 1 step from the and a step here just to make sure they are equal. Okay, I think I got that. Just place it on the other side and cut it. Just measure the length and just cut that other side, and they will have the same length, and that's what I will do. The next step is applying my glue. So it's all up to you. If you like, you can apply the glue on the eyelash band, and the way I normally do mine, which I think it best works for me, is to apply the glue on my own lash band. That is my natural lash band, and I just put on the false lashes and it glue very well. So that's what I will be doing. Okay, I have that. I'm gonna hold my mirror, put the mirror a little bit downward and look through the mirror. That way my eye will be half closed and it will be easier for me to place the lashes. So always make sure your mirror is a little bit downward. As you can see, there's a lot of difference going on between this side and this side. So this is how this one is looking like. You can see I'm going to do the same thing with this eye, but this time around I'm going to use just my hand. I'm not going to use a tweezer. In case you don't have a tweezer, you can actually do it without using a tweezer. Okay, apply the glue on my lash band. So after applying the glue, always make sure you wait for about 10 to 15 seconds just for the glue to get a little bit sticky before you place your lashes. Because if I just go ahead with the lashes right now, the glue will not stick with the lashes, or the lashes will not stick to the glue. So you want to make sure you wait for about 10 to 15 seconds. And also make sure you don't keep it for way too long, because if it takes a longer time, it's going to dry and it will not glue as well. So watch out for that. So as always, look down. And once you're done, just press the lash with your natural lash, just so that everything will combine together. And that's it. Look at this, guys. As easy as that, right? So you can see it's already glued.